This is what has been issued. In fact, that gives me an opportunity to explain and put forth one thing right up front. In this council meeting, there has not been any tax increase on any item. Everything that has been done is to issue clarifications where ambiguity of interpretations prevailed. Like even the issue of rub, which is the juice extracted from sugarcane, which after that, when it goes into the machine of the centrifugal, whatever, churns out molasses. But the juice prior to going into the machine, what UP calls as rub, was a subject of ambiguity prior to today's meeting, where one state issued for rub producers a notice saying, why can't I tax you, because that is molasses, whereas that person would say, no, it is rub. So such kind of situations have all been gone through by the fitment committee, and in this meeting, if there is a one dominant feature, it is on very many such issues we've issued clarifications. No new taxation has been brought in, no new taxes at all. Majority of all that has been discussed is fitment committee's recommendation that's been brought to the council on clarifications provided or necessary to be provided on very of these. RAB is an example that I've taken. Similarly is this SUV. There too we have given an explanation based on all the discussion which has happened through the fitment committee. And on the SUVs, the clarification that has been given that the higher rate of compensation cess of 22% is applicable to motor vehicle fulfilling all four conditions, and the four conditions are: it is popularly known as SUV. So if the vehicle is already known as an SUV and it has engine capacity exceeding 1500 cc, and then the length exceeding 4000 mm and a ground clearance of 170 mm or above, which is in the notification entry number 52B. So that clarification has been brought in. But even as we brought in this clarification, there was a request to bring in or add to this MUVs, which are now being already in the market and people are talking about it and so on. So what has been agreed by the council is that this goes ahead, this clarification goes ahead. But if there is anything else which has to be added on to this 22% rate, the fitment will look into it. And any state or any minister who wants to add, saying this also comes under that category of SUV, please use it. Because this whole discussion, I think, emerged when questions about whether sedans should be included or not. Some states interpret it this way, some interpret it in some other way. So this clarification is not new tax. It's more to say what defines that commodity which is under taxation as SUV. So that's the issue.